What's up, y'all? It's Tyson with Captain Spiffy, and I'm coming at you with a brand new product demonstration on this 2023 Icon EV i40L, which is a lifted four-seater. Let's take a look. All right, I'm going to show you why the Icon is better than all the rest. Everything you'll see on this vehicle is completely stock from the factory. First, let's start with the 12-inch aluminum alloy wheels on 23-inch all-terrain Wanda tires. The Icon also sets itself apart with its suspension system. Front A-arm suspension with rear sway bar suspension, four-wheel hydraulic disc brakes, and coilover shocks. This thing will stop on a dime, baby. Standard equipment includes fender flares, brush guard, metallic paint job, LED high-low beams with brights, turn signals, side view mirrors, foldable acrylic windshield, extended roof, and 4-passenger seat belts. The Icon is also decked out in the interior with marine-grade vinyl seating available in two-tone white, two-tone black, or flat brown. And the Icon also has a very easy acceleration, deceleration system. You can see go means go, stop means stop, and when you come to a complete stop, the electromagnetic brake kicks in and you will not move. It acts as your parking brake. Up front is the Eco Battery lithium screen with the state of charge meter, voltmeter, odometer, speedometer, and our light indicators. Functionally, it comes with LED taillights with brake light and hazard light integration, a rear flip seat with seat belts and a grab bar for additional safety, and a pull-out seat bottom for additional storage capacity. Now with the Icon, you get all of this plus a 3-year factory warranty, bumper to bumper. If you're one of those people that waits until the end of the year to get a smoking hot deal, don't get it twisted. Captain Spiffy is the right place for you. Why? Well, because we pretty much have everything in stock in the Icon EV. The i40, i40L, i40F, i40F, i60, i60L. And we can get you 8 passengers and utility cars. Why? Doesn't matter. We're Captain Spiffy. 4th largest dealer in the nation for Icon EV and the largest dealer in the Midwest. Don't get it twisted. Here at Captain Spiffy, get a smoking hot deal on an awesome golf cart.